I'm Justine with AIM Transportation Solutions. I'm here today to talk with Chris Yarrington, the Director of Facilities and Fleet for Arizona's largest beverage distributor, Hensley Beverage. Hensley is an AIM customer under our ProShop division. ProShop is a lesser-known service offered by AIM. It's a unique partnership relationship where AIM comes in and assumes the responsibilities and operation of a business's fleet maintenance shop. In turn, a business will receive all of the benefits from AIM's decades of fleet maintenance experience. When it comes to running a fleet and a shop, we're the experts. Through AIM's ProShop, we've proven success streamlining operations and cutting bottom lines. Our partnership with Hensley Beverage is a huge success story for AIM ProShop. Chris, I cannot thank you enough for being here today. It's been fantastic getting to know you and all the folks at Hensley over the past 12 years, which our companies have been working together. Can you please tell me a little bit about Hensley as a company?
Well, first, Jessica, thank you for inviting me here. I've been looking forward to speaking with you about this. So Hensley as a company, we're a distributor, started in 1955, distributing just Anheuser-Busch products here in the greater Phoenix area at that time. We have since grown over the years to become a full-fledged beverage distributor in which we still carry the AB line, but we also have hundreds of other brands, including everything from craft beers to wines to spirits. And now we have a large non-alcoholic arm as well that has really brought us into the fray in that market. And now we're no longer just greater Phoenix. We are all of Arizona, and it's an exciting piece for us to have that. Look forward to growing even more in the future. That's who we are today, and look forward to being a lot more down the road.
Well, you're an incredible company, incredible success story for the Southwest and Arizona. Exciting things. So can you tell me a little bit, Chris, what were the pain points that existed in your operation that led you to look for the AIM ProShop solution?
So really, there was a number of areas we were struggling with our own shops. We were doing okay, I guess is the best way to do it, but we weren't doing great at it. And one of those big pain points was we were unable to train our mechanics on all of the new methodology or skill sets that would be coming out. When you've got your own group, you can't bring a Thermo King in and have them train your one employee that happens to be that. Whereas by moving to AIM, we knew that we would be able to get the training that our employees were demanding at the time. And that was really one of our first pains that we wanted to get better at. The second piece was this, when it really came down to it. Hensley's strength has been, and what's made us wonderful, is in marketing, selling, and distribution of our products. We excel at it. We're proud of that. We did not excel at maintaining and keeping our fleet working. It wasn't our strength. So we wanted to partner with somebody that it was their strength and become that partner. So those were our pain points at the time.
Okay. Well, I'm really glad that that Hensley's been a good fit for us and we've been a good fit for you guys. So how would you describe the startup and initial integration of AIM into your maintenance operations?
So, I mean, you got to remember the undertaking of that was an intense undertaking. So considering how involved it was, it went very smoothly. AIM integrated our employees right into their system. When it was all said and done, things didn't look drastically different right away. The only difference was the name on their uniform in the garage at that point. By having the shop on site, it was our shop already. Our employees were used to working there. It was the same equipment that they had been working on before. The only difference was they had some expertise behind them now that they didn't have before.
Okay, very, very good. So what are the economic and operational impacts you've seen over the years as the relationship has matured?
The biggest thing that has helped us with AIM is their expertise and knowledge in the industry. Your team's knowledge has helped us make decisions moving forward, whether it's on capital to purchase or whether it's just on basic maintenance, on something we should continue to maintain. They have really helped us on, this is a really good piece of equipment. This one you might want to avoid. Things along those lines that we wouldn't have had the knowledge on. And that's really made a difference for us.
Wonderful. So final question, would you recommend AIM to other companies?
Absolutely. Over 10 years later now, we are very happy with the decision that we made with AIM. In particular, just having AIM run our shop, it feels like they're running Hensley's shop. It's not AIM really. And I look at it this way. The decision we made was great because AIM is not just a vendor or a supplier. AIM to us is truly a partner in our business. And we feel like the areas we excelled at, AIM now excels with us. It just makes us a better company all the way around.
That's fantastic. So thank you so much for your talking to me here today and just talking about AIM and what we've been able to provide for you. And thank you for being an AIM customer. We appreciate it. And I appreciate your time today. Thank you so much, Chris.
We're looking forward to another 10 years yet. Thank you, Jessica. Appreciate it.
Same here. Talk to you soon.
You too. Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.